Hey guys, now we are going to do the experiment calibration of single phase wattmeter by using phantom loading in DC supply. We have made the connections as per the circuit diagram. We gave 24 volts from these terminals and we gave the terminals to this rheostat. This is 29 ohm 6.5 ohms rheostat. We gave, actually we gave input that side, and when we get the output from this side, from this variable terminal, and we gave it to this ammeter, and then after the ammeter we gave it to the wattmeters M and L terminals. You can see here. And after that we after that we give 230 volts DC supply from these two terminals. We gave the input from this terminal, and we gave the and we get the output from this terminal, and we connect it to the voltmeter as well as the wattmeters C and V terminals. You can see here. Now phantom loading means we can determine the performance of this wattmeter without actually loading the wattmeter. So we can do the experiment right now. Pause. Free. Now let's start the experiment. So by phantom loading, now we can initially we have to put the either voltage constant or else we have to put the current constant. Now I'm putting the current constant. So initially we have to put the current constant at I'm taking the current as 1 ampere. You can see the ammeter is varying. So actually the ammeter is connected to 5 amps terminal, so we have to divide the reading by 2. So we got 1 ampere. After putting the current 1 ampere, we have to vary this rheostat and observe the voltmeter reading and as well as wattmeter reading. So now I am varying this potentiometer rheostat. 7 amps. You can observe that the voltmeter is varying from the minimum position, as well as the wattmeter is also varying from the minimum position. So we have to take the reading for each step. So after that we have to change the current position from 1 amp to 2 amps. So now again I am also changing this rheostat from 1 to 1.5 amperes. You can see from that reading. After that I am changing this potential divider circuit.
80 seconds.
You can see that voltmeter is varying from minimum to maximum position, as well as the wattmeter is also varying from minimum position. We have to take these readings and we have to calculate the percentage error and correction. Before we kept current as constant. Now we are going to take voltage as constant. So you can see that I am varying this rheostat and I am taking current voltage as 100 volts. You can see from that, and we have to multiply the reading that was shown by the voltmeter. So we put at 50 volts, so we got 100 volts. After getting voltage as 100 volts, we have to vary this current rheostat, that is series rheostat, and you can observe that the current is also varying as well as the wattmeter is also varying. And we have to take the readings for the ammeter and wattmeter also by taking the voltage constant. And after taking the readings, again we have to put the voltage from 50 to, or else your wish. I'm taking the voltage as 140 volts, like that is 70 volts on the voltmeter. And after that we have to again we have to vary this rheostat and we have to observe the ammeter and wattmeter readings. You can see here the ammeter and wattmeters are also varying, and we have to take the readings and we have to calculate the error and percentage error as well as percentage correction. This is all about phantom loading in DC supply. Thank you.